Mr. Stacey.
Chairman Risch, Ranking Member Manchin, and distinguished members of the subcommittee, I want to thank you for holding this hearing and inviting testimony from Idaho National Laboratory, also known as INL. As a fellow citizen of Chairman Risch's home state of Idaho and the Associate Laboratory Director of INL's National and Homeland Security Directorate, I'm honored to participate and request that my written testimony be made a part of the record. INL extends its gratitude to Senators King, Risch, Collins, Heinrich, Crapo, and McCluskey for the leadership and dedication demonstrated in sponsoring Senate Bill 3018, with the goal of establishing a pilot program to develop a cyber-informed engineering strategy that defends our energy infrastructure from the most serious security threats. INL views this bill as an opportunity to perform the research and development and testing that are necessary to explore, innovate, and validate with science-based data the ground truth on credible high-consequence vulnerabilities and their mitigations. We understand that the solutions will include advanced technologies and engineering alternatives that can be proven and practically implemented. We believe that our understanding is consistent with the intentions and perspectives of many peers in government and in industry. My colleague, Mike Asante, the SANS lead for Industrial Control System and Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition Security, said it this way, and I quote, "Beyond enhancing our cyber defenses, our goal is to unlock the greatest benefits that technology offers, but not go so far as to ignore the select need to establish responsible limits and alternatives," end quote. This is a role appropriate for national labs. INL, as well as other laboratories, partner today on a breadth of solutions. This research is sponsored by and coordinated with Assistant Secretary Hoffman, leading DOE's Office of Electricity Delivery and Energy Reliability, DOE's Office of Nuclear Energy, the National Nuclear Security Agency's Office of Defense Nuclear Nonproliferation, and DOE's Office of Intelligence and Counterintelligence. Our utilities have been efficient and effective in positioning the electric sector's infrastructure for functionality, reliability, and safety, and in raising their cybersecurity awareness and posture. Yet, with the advent of sophisticated and adaptive cyber adversaries, we are now faced with the need to enhance our infrastructure security that it can better detect, resist, absorb, and respond to the most sophisticated cyber attackers. INL's vision for control system cybersecurity research is grounded on the following principles and trends. First, the speed of technological innovation is outpacing traditional approaches. Second, determined, sophisticated, and patient adversaries will be successful in penetrating an infrastructure's digital systems. Third, a disciplined adversary likely will know the dynamics of digital technology better than the asset owner, and the asset owner will know their engineering and processes better than the adversary. We need to leverage our knowledge advantage and strengths. And fourth, technology for automation and digital control are inherently embedded into our infrastructure. It's simply not feasible to go back and implement large-scale manual control. At INL, we believe that unexplored options exist for taking consequences off the table. To this end, INL is piloting a transformative approach. We call it Consequence-Driven Cyber-Informed Engineering, or CCE for short. CCE reprioritizes the way we look at high-consequence risk within control systems environment. This process starts with identifying the highest impact, most severe consequence, and then discovers the best process design and protection approaches for engineering out the cyber risk. Further reducing risk will require government research and industry toward a common goal, complemented by investment in over-the-horizon research and development addressing these holistic solutions. An example of a significant step forward in partnering within national laboratories to address this national challenge, INL, Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, and Sandia National Laboratories are teaming to lead a research initiative that holistically addresses control system cybersecurity across multiple sectors of the infrastructure and government. I thank the committee's members and fellow panelists for their dedication to this complex challenge. Protection of the energy sector deserves our full commitment to assure economic prosperity and energy security. and INL welcomes its role in serving the nation. Your commitment to this hearing, the high quality of peers as my fellow witnesses, your proposed legislative actions, and appropriations for research demonstrate that the nation is actively engaged in addressing this challenge. Thank you for inviting me today to testify, and I look forward to your questions.
Thank you, Mr. Stacey, and thank all of you for your well-advised thoughts, and we really appreciate that, and hopefully we'll all be able to move this forward.